Crypto, Tether executives reportedly facing a criminal probe into top bank fraud. The DOJ is reportedly looking into whether Tether misled banks about its crypto business. CNBC has reached out to Tether for comment, Jim. We can look at that as well as the action in Bitcoin over the weekend on the heels of this unmatched story that Amazon might consider Bitcoin for payment.
Is it possible for us to call up any of the unbelievable interview that Deirdre Bosa did last week with the two Tether, I don't even want to call them executives, I don't know, two Tether people, because it was astounding. I mean, if you left there and you thought, well, you know what, I wish Deirdre Bosa had subpoena power because it seems so opaque. Well, you know who does have subpoena power? The Justice Department. They got unlimited resources, and we definitely have to look into this because I thought that if you listened to Deirdre and you were the Justice Department, you would place a call. Or if you're Gensler, because he's talking about it being a security, you would place a call. Now, these guys do stablecoin, of which they're very unstable. New York State does not allow them to do business. They had an $18 million fine. I thought it should be much bigger. But this is a huge story because, remember, Tether is about $68 billion in stablecoin. And Tim Bassett, who used to run the CFTC, came on Mad Money and said, look, these are the guys you got to worry bigger. But this is a huge story because, remember, Tether is about $68 billion in stablecoin. And Tim Bassett, who used to run the CFTC, came on Mad Money and said, look, these are the guys you got to worry about. And, well, criminal probe, they're much bigger than people realize.
Yep. Implications for commercial paper and a few other things as well.
Yes, I couldn't find anyone in this commercial paper market who actually does business with them. So where is that commercial paper? And is it Chinese commercial paper, which historically has been difficult to rate? So, again, if you watch Deirdre, this is someday, because if we didn't hear the Bitcoin noise and news about Amazon unsourced, well, somewhat unsourced, then Bitcoin would be down very big. But instead, because of maybe a short squeeze or something, wow.